What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and today we are unboxing some old accessories. I don't know if you can see it to my right, but I've already unboxed them because I had to redo this intro. Super fun. Yeah, we're just unboxing really old accessories, one for the Game Boy Advance and one for the DS Lite. It was originally just going to be the Game Boy Advance one, but I'll let you see what happens. You might be thinking, aren't you just blatantly ripping off Elliot's ideas by unboxing old accessories? Yeah, I am. I found accessories from 20 years ago that are brand new, still sealed, so yeah, I want to fulfill a dream of mine of unboxing something super old. Even if they aren't super valuable, it's still really cool to unbox things for the first time 20 years later. So let's go do it.
Like I mentioned before, the first recording didn't turn out so well, and I was using my mic on the other camera that crapped out on me, so yeah, the audio for this first half is nowhere to be found. But all I did was really read what it said on the box, which was nothing more than it's a rechargeable battery, and I mean, it's really old, so it didn't have a charge, so I plugged it in for a while, but it had gotten corrosion everywhere, so yeah, not really working that well. I mean, it sat around unused for 20 years, what do you expect?
This has been sitting up and charging for a minute, and still nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I think these are just dead. That's all I can assume from the corrosion on the batteries here. The fact that it is 20 years old makes me think that maybe, just maybe, this thing don't work no more. I know that this Game Boy works too. I can easily just put a couple of AA's in here. It works. It just doesn't want to work with this battery pack. So that's awesome. Since we didn't get this working, let's try something else. Woo! Good thing I have another backup brand new item. This is for the DS Lite. So we've got a DS Lite here, and you just put 3 DS games in here and you're supposed to easily switch between them. Seems simple enough. Slide it in there and it's set to game 1. Do I even have 3 DS games around here? Not 3DS, but we got 1. I tried to get all the games that I didn't care about, but I have to use Pearl, so hopefully it doesn't get destroyed in this. Nintendo DS. It doesn't know what to do. Are we 0 for 2 today? It does not read any games. To be fair, I don't know if the game in slot 1 even works. There we go. Pokemon Pearl. But it looks a little weird to me. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, it looks fine there. Pokemon Pearl. Okay, cool. Now what if I swap to game 2? Doesn't like that. Okay, turn it off, turn it back on. Game 2. Game 2 works. Okay, well, you know, 2 out of 3 games isn't bad. I'm really disappointed that the battery pack didn't work because I thought that would be something super cool for the Game Boy Advance. But, you know, there are better rechargeable batteries out there, so I can't really complain. Maybe I'll try and fix the DS slot thing, but at the same time, you have to just restart the DS anyways to get the games to run. So there's really no point to the accessory. But that's gonna be it for me today. If you guys did enjoy this short video, you know what to do. Listen to Britney. If you guys are new around here, hit that subscribe button and ring-a-ling that ding-a-ling bell. And I will see you guys in the next one. Later, guys. Oh, it's still so far away. Why did my camera do that?